Alright, here we are underneath my truck. Got my fish on it. Let's check out the frame here. As you can see, so far looking up after a year and driving around in snow and sand and everything, so far it looks good underneath here. As far as the frame is concerned, you know, not that a whole lot is expected after 1 year, but with the ziebarting it and coating it with whatever that stuff is they put on there. I haven't had the truck undercarriage or anything washed or anything. I just take it through the local wash. But looking at the bolts and all of this, so far, besides just being dirty, I don't see any evidence of rust, especially in key points like the weld sections. But we're going to continue to look. Everything to me appears to be okay. And some mud here. I work in a steel mill, so see some of that checking up in here. All that feels no good. I don't see any rust anywhere. Let's check the rest. Here up in there are some joints. All of that so far seems to be good. Here's another portion of the frame. And those welds, everything's covered good still. Everything looks good. You can probably see where you see the black, where they got the upper pans. That's where some of that ziebarting spray was also sprayed all up underneath the carriage here. One particular spot I'm concerned about is up in the C-well channels here. So let me see if I can show you that up in here and see what that looks like myself. Let's see, up in this C channel here. Let's see if I can put the phone in there and see what it's looking like. See if we see any rust. And as far as what I could tell, that looks good. Some debris sitting inside the channel, but I don't see anything that looks like rust as far as I can tell. So far, so good.